Hi, I'm Annie. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a twisted side updo. We'll start with taking a section right behind your ear and another section on this side. We are going to gather these pieces together using an elastic. We are going to secure this piece together. Then we will do a topsy tail, turning it in the center of the ponytail, pinching the sides, getting it closer to your scalp, and then we will pull apart, twist. Then you will gather, not the ponytail, but a small section underneath the ponytail and another section from the center. Pull them together. Then you will secure this. Once again, you're going to do another topsy tail, pinching the side so it gets closer to the scalp and pulling apart the twist that has now been created. You may have to split on the lower part of the elastic to tighten it to be back closer to your scalp. Lastly, we'll gather the remaining hair and put an elastic at the bottom. The bottom part you are going to place in the center of your topsy tail. With the bobby pin, you will secure in place. Then I like to pull out some pieces to make the look a little softer, a little bit more elegant. Pieces fall out, you can just twist them back into your topsy tail and pull the top for a little bit added height. And you'll finish off with a little bit of hairspray. And there you have it, 2 twists and a little button.